Hi guys, and welcome back to Weekend Kitchen Chemistry with Liana. Today we are going to be making Oobleck, which is a non-Newtonian fluid or liquid. And what this means is that when you apply pressure to this substance, it acts as a solid. But when you don't apply any pressure, it acts as a liquid. So all you need for this super awesome, super fun activity is cornstarch and warm water. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bowl here, and this is 2 cups of cornstarch with 1 cup of warm water, and I am just going to mix those together. I'm going to add in our warm water, and I am going to mix it up. So make sure that you mix it all up nice and well, and actually I'm not even going to use that utensil. It is easier to mix up if you just use your hands. It does get kind of messy at first, but easier to do if you just get in there. If you want your oobleck to be a certain color, you can add food coloring to it. If your substance is a little too powdery, too hard, and it's not quite liquefying the way it should when there's no pressure, I would add a little bit more water. And if your substance is too liquidy and not quite as hard as it should be, add more cornstarch. All right, and so now I've got this mixed up, and it is definitely a messier activity, but as you can see, it is a solid when I'm squeezing it, but if I stop squeezing it, look what happens. Just like liquid. So that's really cool about Oobleck. It's fun to play with. I wanted you guys to be able to get a close-up of what this looks like. So once again, that is called a non-Newtonian fluid. Oobleck is really fun to play with because if you press on it, it becomes hard, and if you just let it be, it becomes very flowy like a liquid would, and it falls and fills its container. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.